How to get the sum and average of elements. Now, let's say we have an int array items equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, we were asked to get the sum and average of these elements. Now, we will first be doing an int sum starting from equals 0, and then a for loop int I starting from index 0 until at the last index I plus plus, and then sum plus equal array items I. Now, this is a simplified version of sum is equal to sum plus array items I. Now, you can visualize this as sum is equal to starting from 0 equals 0 plus on the first index 1, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Now, sum is equal to 1 plus on the second index 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Sum is now equal to 3 plus on the third index 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Sum is now equal to 6 plus on the fourth index 4, 4, 10, now 10 plus on the last index 5, so 5 is equals to 15. And now for the average, int average is equal to sum divided by array items dot length. So array items dot length gives out how many items does array items have. So array items dot length is equal to 5 because we have 5 elements. So sum divide 5 elements, that would be 15 divide 5 is equal to 3. So let's print it all out. Now let's see out sum plus sum and then average plus average. And that is how you get the sum and average of elements. Previously, I have created a video on get how to get the sum of elements in the array. And in that video, I've also included on how to add elements in the array. So how to add items in the array. I will be linking the video on the description below so you can watch if you want. Now what if we are asked to get the sum and average of elements that has decimal points? Well, now let's say grades. Okay, 98.5, 87.6, 97.3, 95.2, and 83.2. Now all we have to do is to make this a double array. So that will be a control R, all in to be double, replace all. Okay, this one, Alt Shift, so print ln. Okay, this one should be an integer as we get the index values of this grades array. So control R, make the all array items into grades, replace all. Okay, let us check. So that is how you get the sum and average of elements.